Imagine having an idea in your mind and turning it into real, working code in just a few seconds. No complicated setup, no confusing errors, no hours of searching online. You simply describe what you want to build, and the AI takes care of the rest. This is exactly what OpenyHool AI Code Generator is designed to do. OpenyHool AI is a powerful all-in-one AI platform that helps anyone generate code using simple human language. You do not need to be a professional programmer, and you do not need to remember complex syntax. If you can explain your idea clearly, OpenyHool AI can understand it and convert it into real, usable code. To understand how powerful this is, let's look at a real example. Today, we are going to use OpenyHool AI Code Generator to create the Google Chrome Dinosaur offline game. Yes, the same game you see and play when your internet connection is not working. Normally, building a game like this would require writing many lines of code, planning logic, and fixing bugs. But with OpenyHool AI, the process becomes simple and fast. First, we open OpenyHool AI and go to the Code Generator tool. Inside the prompt box, we type our idea in plain English. We write something like, create a Google Chrome Dinosaur offline game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Add jumping mechanics, moving obstacles, a score system, keyboard controls, and a game over feature. That's it. We don't write any code ourselves, we just explain what we want. After submitting the prompt, OpenyHool AI starts working instantly. Within a few seconds, the AI generates complete code for the game. It creates the HTML structure for the game layout, the CSS for design, animation, and movement, and the JavaScript for all the game logic. This includes the running dinosaur, jumping behavior, obstacle generation, collision detection, score counting, and the game over system. This is not example code or demo code. This is fully functional game code that you can use immediately. We simply copy the generated code, paste it into an HTML file, and open it in any web browser. As soon as the file opens, the dinosaur starts running automatically. When we press the spacebar, the dinosaur jumps. Obstacles move toward the dinosaur, the score increases over time, and if the dinosaur hits an obstacle, the game ends. Just like the original Chrome offline game. One of the best parts of OpenyHool AI is customization. If you want to change anything, you don't need to manually edit the code line by line. You can just ask the AI again. For example, you can say, make the dinosaur run faster, add sound effects when jumping, change the background color, or make the game mobile friendly. OpenyHool AI understands your request and updates the code instantly. This makes OpenyHool AI extremely useful for beginners who are learning to code, students who want to build projects, developers who want to save time, and founders who want to turn ideas into real products quickly. Instead of spending hours writing and debugging code, you can focus on creativity and problem solving. OpenyHool AI is not just about generating code. It helps you learn by showing you how real projects are built. You can read the generated code, understand how it works, modify it, and improve your skills step by step. This way, OpenyHool AI becomes both a development tool and a learning companion. If you have an idea, whether it's a small script, a website, an app, or a full game like the Google Dinosaur offline game, OpenyHool AI can help you build it. You bring the idea, and the AI brings the code. This is not something coming in the future. This is available right now. So if you want to build smarter, code faster, and turn your ideas into reality, start using OpenyHool AI Code Generator today. OpenyHool AI is here to remove limits, simplify development, and help you create without barriers.